Starting around 25 walk 2024 Nexo sort of is exchanging at $1.40 in terms of its est rate with the value change of 0.7% in very most recent 60 minutes, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo basically has an especially complete market cap of $782, $772, $779 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,667.29 in an unobtrusive manner. This certainly makes Nexo's sort of positioning at 122 in the digital money market, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you essentially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Nexo in every practical sense be somewhat worth in 2024, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is Nexo a for the most part wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024, which truly is genuinely huge? Will Nexo cost especially outperform its unequaled high, which generally is genuinely huge? These are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, showing how starting around 25 walk 2024 Nexo sort of is exchanging at $1.40 in terms of its est rate with the value change of 0.7% in absolute most recent 1 hour in an in every practical sense large way. Nexo value expectation 2024 as per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Nexo cost for the most part is supposed to sort of cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.77, the normal essentially least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to generally be $1.72. Besides, Nexo can really arrive at a fundamentally most extreme value level of $2.04. Nexo value gauge walk 2024. In walk 2024 the cost of Nexo generally is gauged to be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.24 in an unobtrusive manner. The Nexo value worth can basically arrive at a by and large limit of $1.40 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $1.36 in est in an unobtrusive way. Nexo value expectation April 2024. Nexo cost especially is supposed to generally reach between $1.36 to $1.45 in April 2024, while the very normal cost of Nexo for the April stays around $1.41. Nexo value conjecture May 2024. The Nexo figure for May 2024 expects that the Nexo may for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $1.52 with an especially least cost of around $1.37, which by and large is very huge. Discussing the typical value Nexo can especially stretch around $1.44 for May, which really is very critical. Nexo value expectation June 2024. Nexo cost certainly is supposed to in every way that really matters, reach between $1.42 to $1.59 in June 2024, while the in every way that really matters, normal cost of Nexo for the June in every way that really matters, stays around $1.48. Nexo value expectation July 2024. Concerning July 2024 Nexo cost is figured to basically arrive at a fundamentally the least cost of $1.45, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The Nexo cost could basically arrive at an especially greatest cost of $1.67 with the extremely normal expected cost around $1.51, which for the most part is very critical. Nexo value figure August 2024. In August 2024, the by and large most extreme cost for Nexo could sort of stretch around $1.74 in a significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Nexo in August 2024 especially is $1.49 with a very normal cost of $1.54. So Nexo value expectation June 2024. Nexo cost most certainly is supposed to by and large reach between $1.42 to $1.59 in June 2024, while the kind of typical cost of Nexo for the June essentially remains around $1.48. Nexo value forecast July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Nexo cost truly is estimate to truly arrive at a particularly the least cost of $1.45, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Nexo value expectation September 2024. The cost for Nexo in September 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.54 and $1.82, exhibiting that besides, the minimum cost of Nexo in August 2024 certainly is $1.49 with a typical cost of $1.54, so Nexo value forecast June 2024. Nexo cost generally is supposed to sort of reach between $1.42 to $1.59 in June 2024, while the fundamentally normal cost of Nexo for the June essentially remains around $1.48. Nexo value expectation July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Nexo cost explicitly is figured to arrive at a practically the most minimal cost of $1.45, or so they truly thought. While the typical exchanging cost ought to especially be around $1.60 in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value expectation October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Nexo cost in every practical sense is figured to arrive at a scarcely the least cost of $1.60 in an unobtrusive manner. The Nexo cost could for the most part arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $1.88 with the by and large normal expected cost around $1.67, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo value conjecture November 2024. In November 2024, the especially greatest cost for Nexo could by and large stretch around 1.97. By and large further appearance how while the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $1.60, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in November 2024 in every way that really matters is $1.65 with an especially normal cost of $1.72 in a genuinely enormous manner. Nexo value estimate December 2024. The kind of normal cost of Nexo could really go to $1.77 toward the finish of December 2024, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo could for the most part be exchanging around a really greatest worth of $2.04 with the exceptionally least expected cost of $1.72. Nexo passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost truly has shown a genuinely decent increment of 142% in the especially most recent 24 hours. So besides Nexo can in every practical sense arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $2.04 in a huge manner. From most recent 7 days, the Nexo certainly was an essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 697%, which really is genuinely critical. Nexo most certainly has shown areas of strength for extremely potential of late, and this could be by and large great chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute, showing how Nexo value expectation April 2024. Nexo cost especially is supposed to buy and large reach between $1.36 to $0.45 in April 2024, while the truly normal cost of Nexo for the April especially remains around $1.41 Nexo value figure May 2024. The Nexo conjecture for May 2024 expects that the Nexo may essentially arrive at a, for the most part, greatest worth of $1.52 with a base cost of around $1.37, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo value estimate 2024 facts. What will be Nexo really worth in 2024, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking? The Nexo cost generally is gauged to for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $2.04 with essentially least cost of $0.72 toward the finish of 2024, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Does Nexo in a real sense have a future in a truly significant manner? As far as value, Nexo in every practical sense